Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's look at the two-year note futures as they're realizing some further selling pressure today. Two-year note futures trading lower for a second session, and today we're looking at the futures market trading down to a one-week low currently at the 102.15 level for the shorter end of the curve in this two-year note futures. And looking at some of the factors contributing to the price action, I think it's a culmination of the Fed message throughout the week. Now, we have had the Fed Chairman Powell indicating that they do see a path to lower rates later this year. And we had several other Fed governors speaking throughout the week. But the one theme is that it's not going to be a linear structure as far as rate cuts. And a lot of the Fed officials really push back on the idea that once they start, they're going to continue for several cycles. And I think that's really what's impacting the price action here as we're seeing the markets adjust to the idea that maybe the Fed will cut rates once, twice maybe, and then they could hold for a little while, and the market's adjusting for the possibility because we did see several rate cuts priced into the market earlier this week. So that's, I think, one of the primary drivers. Also, we had some data, by and large, indicating that the economy continues to stay fairly strong. And the jobs data, though, we did see a little bit of weakness in the weekly claims, so that helped from a support standpoint. But overall, the markets appear to be adjusting to the Fed theme as they push back a little bit on the consistency of potential rate cuts. Looking at the yield, we're looking at the two-year yield up 5 basis points today to 451 basis points. And we're seeing the yield curve move higher pretty much across the board from the 2s all the way out to the 30s today, up anywhere from 4 to 5 basis points depending on where they fall on the curve. But selling pressure pretty much across the board. And we're seeing yields moving higher here for a second day. And with that, the two-year note futures are trading at a one-week low with yields pushing back up above 450 basis points.